Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget. Alright, so let's begin. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet and then log into your wallet if you haven't already. After that, you can either tap on the send button on the home page, or you can scroll down and first select USDT and then tap on the send button. Afterwards, it will ask you to provide the address or scan the QR code. So in order to get it, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application, and then you just have to log into your account if you haven't already. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner and select the Add Funds option. Over here, select the Deposit Crypto option, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for USDT. Then it will ask you to choose the network, so you can choose any of the networks that you want in order to transfer or deposit your USDT into Bitget. After that, you just have to copy the deposit address from here, then come back to Tonkeeper. Paste the address in this section. In the comment, you can type anything that you want, and then you need to just press continue in the bottom. On the next page, enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. Then tap on the withdraw button and initiate and confirm your transaction. This way, you will be able to transfer your USDT from your Tonkeeper to your Bitget account. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.